We're looking at the Coronado PST, which is a personal solar telescope. It's the smallest version that's out there, but you can actually see the solar flares coming off the sun with it, and sunspots. And the sun's always a dynamic thing because it changes from hour to hour, day to day. So it's always something different to see.
So it's the sun.
That's the sun.
Ooh.
Those are the solar flares shooting off the edge of it. Well, Saturday night we're going to do a little astronomy presentation for the Huronia Museum. We're having an indoor session it's about 40 minutes long. And weather permitting, we'll be outside with a bunch of telescopes so we can actually see what we've been talking about earlier in the evening. Depending on how bright the moon is, which the moon will be there, and it's always a great thing to look at because you can really see great detail in the moon, except when it's full, of course. A couple of planets are out, and Saturn's always great to see. I've always sort of been interested, even as a kid, but never really got going until about the last 15 years ago, I guess. Me and a few of the guys at work built our own telescopes to start. So we built little 6-inch reflectors, and then it just sort of progressed from there. You don't need expensive gear. You can actually use binoculars to get started. It's a great way to start, and that way if you're still interested, then you can start spending some money. We have a great indoor presentation which describes what we do a bit, things that you would need to get started, a little how-to, different types of telescopes that are out there, what you can actually see with binoculars, and we'll be touching on astrophotography. Oh, it's always something different to see out there. The galaxy is pretty big, and it's amazing what you can actually see. It's things that are happening out there, from meteor showers to nebula, star clusters. Everything's out there to be seen, and now we're starting to get into the astrophotography part, which we get to see the pretty pictures that you see in the magazines. It'll be $5 a ticket per person. All the money goes right to the museum, and we're just here for the fun of the hobby and to help maybe get somebody else interested in it.